In this video, we examine a very useful relationship between the term nth term of a series and the sum to n term of a given series. And it is most important that we note that when we talk about sum to n term of a series here, we mean the sum to n term for any series, meaning does it need to have to be an AP or a GP? No. When we say any series, we mean it can be any series, need not be an AP or GP, because there are other kind of series that you will study in the next chapter which are not AP or GP. So why is it true, and what is the relationship? The relationship that we are talking about here is the one indicated below here, highlighted here. The nth term U subscript n of a series is equals to the sum to n term Sn minus sum to n minus 1 term. So U subscript n equals to S subscript n minus S subscript n minus 1. To see why it is so, the first thing we should note is that we have a very useful relationship here that can be applied to many questions. U1 equals to S1. Why? When we say sum to the first term, we actually only get the first term of a series. That is why U1 equals to S1. No other terms is involved in the summation. How about if we have S2? S2 means U1 plus U2. So if we make U2 the subject, we will get S2 minus U1. And knowing that U1 equals to S1, we will get U2 as S2 minus S1. Next, when we know that S3 sum to the first three terms of a series is U1 plus U2 plus U3, making U3 the subject, we will get sum to the third term S3 minus bracket U1 plus U2 here, and U1 plus U2 we know is S2. So therefore the third term of a series is sum to the third term minus sum to the second term, and so on and so forth. So in general, we can say that sum to the nth term equals to the nth term is a sum to n term minus sum to n minus 1 term. Another way to understand this or remember this relationship well is through the following diagram here as I'm illustrating. If we have U1 at U2 at U3 at all the way to the nth minus 1 term, and we add the nth term here. When I add everything together here, we call it Sn. If I add everything from first term up to here, up to the n minus 1 term, we call it as n minus 1. Therefore, isn't it clear that if I want the nth term Un, then it has to be Sn minus S of n minus 1? Well, I certainly hope this diagram that I'm sketching here will help you to understand and remember this relationship well. Good luck. Thank you.